Hello, I'm Crystal Romero. I'm the reporter and I'm going to be talking about the history of pancakes. The ancient Greeks and Romans ate pancakes sweetened with honey and flavored them with spices, rose water, and apples. The Elizabethans would use it on a feast party before Lent. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Jaime Huerta, and I am doing safety for fire. Now, there are three things that start a fire called the fire triangle. First, you need fuel to start the fire. For us, it's gonna be methane. Then you need oxygen, and the one that starts the fire is actually a spark. That's what starts the whole fire. Now, if you put one of these out, it will stop a fire, and the easiest one to put out is oxygen. If there's a fire, then you just put a lid on it and it will cut off the oxygen. Or if there's a fire on you, you stop, drop a wall, which will cut off all oxygen. Now, during a grease fire, you don't want to put water on the fire because the water will create steam and it will just splash on you. The oil will splash on you, and which will only burn yourself and make the fire worse. Same thing with electrical fire, it only spread the fire. You can also use a fire extinguisher, which you use the pass technique. You pull the ring, aim at the base, squeeze the trigger, and move side to side. And you aim at the base. And that's it.
My name is Indiana, and I'm going to be talking about two conceptions of chemistry. The first one, as you can see right here, is the flame. What you see is methane. Most of our methane is underwater. It comes from petroleum. As you can see here, the balance form chemical formula. So this is the chemical equation for the combustion, and the concentrated energy, which is right here, which leads to the heat energy that makes the cooking of the eggs and the pancakes.
That makes perfect pancakes.
I'm going to be talking about the cookware and the specific heat. For the pan, right here is made of silicone, which means that when you touch it, your hand's not going to burn. Inside the pan is made of stainless steel. The specific heat of stainless steel is 0.500. In the back of the pan, it's made of copper, and the specific heat is 0.390. Copper is used in the bottom, so all the heat could be distributed equally. And inside it's stainless steel because the food won't get stuck, and it could come out easily, and so nothing of the pan can go in the food.
We are going to cook pancakes and eggs. We're going to put strawberries on top of the pancakes, so it's delicious. We're going to be using 4 eggs to make enough for us hungry people. These pancakes don't need eggs, they just need water. So we're going to have 2 cups of water, and I was wrong. It's 1 1/4 half cups of water. Just leave it. And 2 cups of this mix. And we're going to put it in here. We're going to mix it up with this whisk.
Oh, she remembered.
Mix it up. And then we're going to make pancakes. And we're going to make 12 to 14 pancakes. And it'll be delicious. So we're going to put 2 cups of this pancake powder into here, so then we can make pancakes. I know a messy person. I'm not good at this. There's one. There's one. That's all. That's those. Then we're going to have 1 1/2 cups of water. This is 1 cup. This is 1/2 cup. So you have 1 in this, 1 full cup of water in this, and 1 full one in this. I'm lazy. Don't judge.
No one wants you here singing.
We have a minor hole in the bottom of this one, so doesn't matter. Then 1 of this one. And then, here comes the fun part. It takes a long time. So, we're going to mix this. This is what it should look like. This pancake mix. Okay. So, what we're going to do, we're going to turn this on, this, and it makes fire.